Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Proceedinstyle, and I hope you all are in style in whatever videos you're making. But today we have an important topic to talk about where YouTube itself has told you the basic and the most important and very powerful tips to let your watch time increase so fast and you can complete that requirement of 4,000 hours in those 10 tips. So, of course, guys, who will not want to know this? Everybody needs to know this. Whoever is creating content on YouTube, may it be any content, same style, but also use these tips which I want to tell you in this video right now. It's not that easy to fulfill the requirement of 4,000 hours, which everybody is really waiting for who are new to this YouTube, who are new on YouTube, or maybe who have been creating content since so many years but they are not getting it. So you guys also need to try this to get your watch time, that is 4,000 hours. Okay, then, so now we are going to talk about the first one. Master the art of storytelling in your YouTube videos. So how are you going to master the art of storytelling is keep on engaging users with your story in the video so that you can get that watch time which is needed and people will watch your full video, make a proper thumbnail, also the title and emotional connectivity should be there within you and the viewers who are watching, and that will help you to reach 4,000 hours. But video introduction should be such that people should watch your video completely, and that will help you to gain more and more hours. That is watch time which you need for your videos, which you need to get the requirement done. Emotions make your content 10 times relatable, and that helps the viewers to catch attention to your video and see your video. They'll see your video for like the full whole video they watch only and only because of your emotional connectivity. Second most important tip to get that 4,000 watch time is second most powerful tip is increase your engagement with the pattern interrupters. Like you can change your scenes, change your camera angle, shift it, do some good editing. Occasionally you can put some different kind of video edit in a different way. These are all very important. Also, the graphics or images which you put, you can change your sound effects you can put text, and you can highlight the point in which your video you want to reach out to your audience. These pattern interrupters will help your video to highlight, that will give you the best watch time you need, your videos to get noticed, and yes, you can complete your 4,000 hours watch time. Third most important tip to get your watch time quick is you have to use your captions throughout the videos. That will keep your viewers focused on your video completely till the end and nobody will just navigate away. So the captions help the viewers, whoever can't listen to your videos or it is a trouble for them to listen to your videos if they are in the noisy places or in different areas where they can't listen to your audio, but because of your captions they'll be able to watch your videos and engage with the video wherever they are. So that is most important technique for you guys to put the captions in your videos, and that can create more impact on your video because that helps the video to be watched anywhere, everywhere, anytime, and without audio. Subtitles should be your go-to in that because that will help you to translate into multiple languages, that your audio can be translated into multiple languages, which is very important so that your video will be watched by many users, or you can say many viewers. Fourth important powerful tip about getting the best watch time you can, that is 4,000 hours, is skip the basic outro. To most importantly, skip your basic outro because basic outro is nothing but how you end your video. You tell them that yeah, now videos will end. Like so your main thing is not to say anything while even if you want to finish a video, please don't tell your viewers that yes, now the video is going to end by saying that okay, these were the important points, so these were the important tips. So now I'll see you in my next video, or like that, or you can just not say all this. That's about today, that's it, and all these things you shouldn't say when you're ending your video, because this is your basic outro which you need to skip, which is not helping you to get more and more watch time, which actually can give you less views, and your viewers will now know that yeah, you need to just navigate and they just go off. So better don't do that. Just keep on speaking till the end. Instead of announcing the end of your video, just leave before anyone knows what's happening. And that is the best thing, and that is how you should skip the basic outro, which everybody is following by saying, yes, okay, goodbye, see you. And that's it for today. We'll meet next. This is not what you need to keep, because that will not increase your watch time, and that will help viewers to navigate faster before they see your video, before you finish your video. So they'll skip more of your videos, and that is not good. So you should keep your own basic outro so people won't skip your videos. Next fifth most important powerful tip is to get your 4,000 watch time hours is you have to create more and more YouTube evergreen YouTube videos. Means what exactly? I'll tell you. The word evergreen means year round, popular year round. That means only that your video will be so popular the whole year. That is, just take out important topics like your particular important festivals which you have in the whole year, which are very, very famous and very unique, which happens only once a year. That you can do videos on. Plus, you can tell how you have to cook pasta, or how to change your friendship patterns, how you can change your lifestyle, how to change your careers. These are all very important points when it comes to, you know, making evergreen videos. So make sure that you do these type of videos so you get that perfect watch time. Sixth important powerful tip for getting your watch time, that is 4,000 hours, is how you can host more and more live streams on YouTube. So that is also playing a very important and major role. I've seen some accounts where they actually have done live stream for 2-3 hours, and there was like 1 hour watch time in that, plus 6,000 views and everything, or 8,000 views probably I've seen, where they get 1.5 hour watch time. That will create more and more importance to your viewers, and you'll get more and more subscribers. Also, your watch time will increase drastically, and this can help you to get 4,000 hour watch time duration, that is, which is your requirement for YouTube, that will be done in those live streams. So do more and more live streams. That will help you to connect with your viewers, and all unknown viewers also can join in to see you. For many unknown people who are actually willing to know who and what are you doing on your live stream will help. They will also connect, and they'll also be there. They might subscribe to your channel. So I'm showing you one example down here. You can see the viewers are 6.1k, and also you can see the watch time in hours is 1k. You can see the subscribers added there, that is +8. This is how you can do live stream and put a beautiful title when you will go on live stream, when you do live stream on YouTube, and that title will engage more and more other viewers and known viewers into your channel, and then that can help you to get more and more hours, which is really needed for your channel to grow. Seventh most important tip for getting your 4,000 watch time is build watch time through playlists. And how that can be done is, I'll let you know that you create playlists of, suppose you've created many videos, and some videos are of like how to and style, some videos are about science and technology, some videos are about sports, but you haven't added them yet in your playlist. So keep a playlist ready so that people can directly search your video, and they can go on to the next video if they want to watch the same related content which you've put up. Like suppose I've put a fashion content, and I really wish to show each and every video related to fashion content through my playlist. So I'll add up those fashion videos into a playlist. I'll create a playlist naming it as fashion, and all the videos can be seen in that. So whoever will view my channel will directly get to know, oh, this is fashion, okay, this is comedy, okay, this is how to and style. So in that they'll get a lot of videos, a lot of collection which I've already put up and added in that playlist, particular playlist. So that will help you users to quickly check out what their actual need is to learn from your videos. So this is a very important trick, and this is an amazing strategy that will help your viewers to reach out to you and watch out more and more videos, because after the first video they'll pick out from your playlist to watch. They'll see the next video which is coming at the end screen, so they'll again go on that, and that will increase your watch time, and this will help more quickly where your video is and which video to watch. And that is according to the playlist. So please do not forget to put your videos which are related to a particular topic in that playlist. Create a playlist, and that will help your viewers to be more, and watch time will be even more and more better, and it will reach quickly. That is the 4,000 hour watch time. Eighth very important powerful tip of increasing your watch time, that is 4,000 hours, is you have to promote your channel, that is your YouTube channel, on other channels or other apps like Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, Instagram stories, and many such apps, Snapchat, or whatever you want. You can post your links, and that will help users to get into your channel, and they'll watch more videos of what you've posted. That will increase your watch time very fast. Discord servers, you can also put it on so that it will help to reach a lot of people. It helps to know the flavor of each community. So please use those apps, promote your channel on these apps, and help yourself. So once you know that you can create content in the best time for those, eventually some of these viewers will seriously trickle into your channel and give you consistent watch time, which is really required for you to reach the goal of 4,000 watch hours. Ninth most important powerful tip for you to increase your watch time, that is 4,000 hours you need to complete, is you have to use end screens for your videos, for your YouTube videos, because that can help the viewers to directly move on to your next video which you have already uploaded, and that can give you more views. Of creating an outro, you can just transit your end screen and then get people to your next video so that they can watch that video and help you to get more and more views. For that video which you've got very less views, just put that video after your video at the end screen, and then you will get to know how it will increase your watch time very fast. It will recommend one more video of yours to the viewers, which is very necessary and will be very important for your viewers to increase again and again. That is your watch time. Only thing is about watch time, guys. And the last and the very most important powerful tip to get your 4,000 watch hours or watch time, get your 4,000 hours watch time, is, what do you guys think it must be, which many people are actually not following, and they are thinking that how is my video not getting a lot of views? How is my channel not working well? Why is this happening? Why is that happening? The only solution to that is your 10th tip, which I'm going to tell you right now, which is going to help you guys to get more and more and more viewers, which is needed. Even if you do those 9 tips, the 10th tip is the most important tip. If you don't do that, what is the importance of getting those 9 tips done? It's of no use. So better focus on this 10th tip, which I'm telling you guys, that is, you have to post your videos consistently. So you got that? You have to upload videos consistently. If you're not uploading your videos consistently and you're expecting that, yes, I've done all my 9 tips, but still I'm not getting views. Why? Are you posting on daily or frequent basis? Ask yourself. Are you posting like after 1 week and you say, no, I'm not going to post this week, next week I'm maybe probably posting? So that again can't help to get views for your channel. What else can give you more and more views is daily posting. You just don't think of, some people post like, just don't think of posting somewhere, sometime, anytime. That's not going to help your channel to grow. First and foremost thing is you have to increase your watch time. Remember that. So what is more important is you have to be posting on frequent or daily basis. You can't just say I'm going to post after 4 days, after 5 days. Some people, yes, many of the YouTubers post after 2 days or alternate days or maybe after 3 days or maybe on weekends, maybe once a week. But that is not really sufficient if you want that 4,000 watch time hours. If you want that, you need to work for it. And how will you work for it? By uploading it every day. If you don't upload it every day, what's the point of uploading your videos? You really need to upload your videos time to time. YouTube is watching it. They are getting to know that yes, you are consistent. If you're consistent, you will surely grow. Your channel will grow. Everything will grow. Only one solution: upload your videos consistently. The only key to your success on YouTube is you have to be consistent as well, even if you're doing every other tip which is there, which I have told you right now. If you're following all the other tips but you're not following the daily basis pattern, then no use of uploading any video. Also, most important thing, that is shorts video will never be included in your 4,000 hours watch time. That is not the one which you think must be into shorts. So that is not the one which you think must be included for 4,000 watch time hours. No, absolutely not. So one thing is there for shorts. Requirement is you have to have more than 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views, and also that should be done within 90 days time span. So this is for short videos. 4,000 watch time comes for long videos, and that doesn't get included in your short videos. And buying any watch time hours or whatever you guys will do that is really not going to work, that's called fake. So don't do anything like that. Please be organic. You will be organic only if you're consistent. And you don't need to buy any hours from anyone. Don't watch the same videos from others' phones or your own phone, because that is going to create fake watch time. Don't take any fake views or videos or whatever it is. Don't be artificial at all. I don't like this, and I want to tell whoever is watching this, please don't do anything fake or artificial or buying any views by giving some money or something. Please don't do that. This is not recommended by YouTube. You have the YouTube policy telling you if you take all your fake views, it will not help. They will cut down those watch time and watch hours, and that is not going to work. So please don't buy anything, no views, and please don't watch from someone else's phone your own videos, or please don't watch your own videos from your own phone as well. That's again not going to help you to gain more views, more subscribers, or your watch time requirement.